Hey guys, so this is just a quick video to show you all how easy it is to put on the lace closure units. There isn't any glue needed to apply these. The unit can just slide on your head and it fits snug, so you don't have to worry about it being loose or feeling like it's gonna slide off. Here I'm just showing you all how you just slide the unit on. Hers came with an extra band and clips inside. You can ask for those additionally, but there is an adjustable band that comes on the ventilated cap where you can size the wigs to fit your head snug. Here I'm just showing you guys how to cut the lace. When you cut the lace off of your unit, make sure that you are not cutting in a straight line. Use a zigzag motion to cut the lace. You don't want to make a blunt line because you don't want to see that line of demarcation. And the zigzag line helps to blend that with your skin. She wanted baby hair, so I am just going to pull out some hair, trim them a little, and then add a little gel to give her some small swoops. These glueless units can be purchased on my website, www.adoremehairco.com. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.